In this edition of Service My Car, we look at Hyundai's best-selling subcompact SUV, the Kona. To find out its next service date, check the vehicle's service manual and familiarise yourself with its service intervals. As always, we recommend taking your Hyundai Kona to your local mechanic for servicing. This Hyundai Kona uses a Ryco Z79A oil filter, an A1950 air filter, and an RCA 350M micro shield cabin air filter. For the best quality service products, be sure to ask for Ryco. To begin, raise the vehicle and place your drain pan underneath. Then, undo the sump plug through the access hole in the splash tray and drain the oil. To help the oil drain faster, do this with the engine still warm. While the oil drains, remove the old oil filter through its access hole and clean the oil filter mating surface. From there, apply a layer of fresh oil to the Ryco oil filter's rubber gasket and fit the new oil filter. Once the oil has drained, refit the sump plug with a new washer. Next, do the initial oil fill using a Ryco Flexi funnel to avoid any mess. The 2-litre petrol engine takes about 4 litres of oil. Once complete, start the engine and check for any leaks. For air filter replacement, undo the airbox clips, then lift the lid away from the airbox. From there, the old air filter can be removed and the airbox can be cleaned to remove any debris. Next, fit the new Ryco air filter, making sure that the seal is seated correctly within the airbox. To replace the cabin air filter, start by dropping the glove box like so to reveal the filter housing. Then, remove the filter housing lid and take out the old cabin air filter. Clear the area of debris, then insert the new Ryco N99 Micro Shield cabin air filter, with it facing in the correct airflow direction as indicated on the filter. From there, refit the filter housing lid and glove box in reverse order. The Micro Shield is made of N99 medical grade media and can stop viral and bacterial contaminants as well as other minuscule pollutants from making their way inside the vehicle. Once the service is complete, the vehicle is ready for road testing to ensure that everything is in good working order. Be sure to fit a Ryco service sticker to note when the vehicle is due for its next service. Visit rycofilters.com.au for all your servicing needs and ask your local retailer or mechanic for Ryco products.